Hi everybody, let me show you another trick using the Svengali deck. So let's have a card selected. They can say stop. We'll have them look at the card. So now what we're going to do is we'll get a little brave here. Give the cards a shuffle. Okay. I'm going to cut the deck into 3 piles. And the spectator can point to any one of the 3 piles they want. It doesn't matter. There's no restriction. Let's say they point to this one. And it's amazing that the card they selected is right on top of the pile they pointed to. So we'll try it one more time quickly. We'll have a card selected. Okay. We'll give the cards a few cuts to mix them up. If you'd like, you can even just go like that. And let's say this time they point to this pile. There's the card they selected right on top of the pile, just like that. And when you come back, I'm going to show you how to do that trick.